today I'm going to talk about composing and decomposing numbers. And when we compose and decompose numbers, the first thing that we need to understand is the term digits. What is digits? Digits is any of the numeral from 0 to 9, especially when forming parts of a number. For this example, we have 321 is made of 3 digits, number 3, 2, and 1. 43 is made of 2 digits, number 4 and 3. 8 is both digit and a number. It is 1 digit.
And today we're going to talk about 2 digits number from 11 to 19. And when we have 2 digits number, we have tens and ones. So depending where I place this digit, the value of this digit is going to change. And that is why we got the term place value, tens and ones. Because depending where I place this digit, the value of this digit will change. For example, if I place it in ones, the value of 2 will be 2 ones, 1 and 2. But if I put it in tens, the value of 2 in tens will be 2 group of tens. So here I prepare a group of a Lego, which is, it has a 10 dot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one group of tens and another group of tens. So 1 tens and 2 tens. So that's the value of number 2 in tens place. So it's very much different from 2 ones. Now, when we compose numbers, we start with our tens and ones. And we ask ourselves what number is composed of these tens and ones. So I can look at it and ask myself, how many tens and ones do we have on the board? Now we can start counting the tens. So as you can see, we have one group of tens. And for ones, we can start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 ones. And I can see that 1 tens and 5 ones is 15. So 15 is made of one group of tens and 5 ones. For our second example, so I can look at here that we have 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group of tens. So I just need to write 4 in tens. And here in ones we have 1 and 2. So we have 2 in ones. And I can see that 4 tens and 2 ones is 42. So 42 is made of 4 group of tens and 2 ones. And when we decompose number, we break it apart. So we go the other way. We always start with the numeral form. And we ask ourselves, how do I break this number into tens and ones? So for the beginner, I suggest to put line under the digit of your number and label it. Always remember on the right side is always ones, and for the left side is always the tens. So it will be more easy for you to break it apart into tens and ones. So if I look at here, my first digit in tens place is 1. So I need to show one group of tens. Now, for my second digit, which is 6, 6 is in ones place. So I need to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of Legos. So here I have one group of tens and 6 ones, which is 16. So 16 is made of one group of tens and 6 ones. For my second example here, which is number 31, so we start 31 and break it apart to tens and ones. So I need to underline first the digits, so it will be more easy for me to decompose the number. So I need to label it. The first digit on the right side is ones, and the second digit on the left side is tens. So here, as you can see, in the tens space, I have 3 group of tens that I need to show. So I have one group of tens, 2 group of tens, and 3 tens. So 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens. Now for ones, my number for ones is, I have 1. So I just need to put 1. So 31 is made of 3 group of tens and ones. Now, we can represent tens by just making a straight line instead of making a 10 frame, as it will will take so much of your time to do it. So like for example, I have 42, underline the digits. So 2 is ones and 4 is tens. Now here I can see in the tens place, I have number 4. So I need to make 4 group of tens by making sticks. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens. And for ones, I can just draw one little box to present it. 1, 2. So 42 is made of 4 group of tens and 2 ones. So friends, always remember, when we are composing a number, we always start with the drawings. So here, as you can see on my board, the first digit that I have in the tens place is 4. Now we can start counting the group of tens. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So we have 4 tens, and for the ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 44 is composed of 4 tens and 4 ones. Now, when we decompose number, we go the other way. So we always start in the numeral form, in the number. And here, we need to break it apart into tens and place. So as you can see, I'm underlining. I put underline in each digit. So I have 1 on my right side and tens on my left side. So it will be easy for me to decompose it to tens and ones. So here I need to make 4 group of tens. So I'm just gonna use my sticks to present it. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. And I know that each stick is composed of 10 cubes. Now for ones, I have 5. So I need to make 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I broke apart 45 into 4 tens and 5 ones. So